Artificial intelligence is rapidly reshaping the world, and in its wake, it's creating billionaires at a pace we've never seen before, all within the bounds of the law. In the past, amassing immense wealth often took decades of relentless work, relentless innovation, and sometimes a stroke of luck. Today, the rules have changed. The age of AI is here, and it's rewriting the playbook for wealth creation. At the heart of this revolution are entrepreneurs, technologists, and investors who understand the transformative power of artificial intelligence. These visionaries aren't just building companies, they're building entire industries. From language models that can draft legal documents in seconds, to algorithms that optimize supply chains or predict disease outbreaks, AI is being woven into the very fabric of business and society. The result? Unprecedented opportunities to create value, and for the bold to capture it. Consider the founders of leading AI startups. With the right idea, the right team, and the right timing, they can scale their products to millions or even billions of users with lightning speed. AI models, once trained, can be replicated and deployed almost instantly, allowing companies to expand without the traditional bottlenecks of manufacturing or logistics. The scalability is staggering, and so are the financial rewards. It's no wonder that some of the youngest billionaires today owe their fortunes to AI-powered platforms. But it's not just tech founders reaping the benefits. Investors who spot promising AI ventures early are seeing returns that eclipse those of even the hottest tech booms of the past. Venture capital is pouring into AI at record levels, fueling further innovation and driving valuations sky high. Meanwhile, established companies that successfully integrate AI into their operations are seeing their market values soar, minting new billionaires among executives and shareholders alike. What makes this new era of wealth creation not just legal, but celebrated, is transparency and innovation. The most successful AI entrepreneurs are solving real-world problems, making healthcare more accessible, education more personalized, and businesses more efficient. Regulators and policymakers are watching closely, but so far the legal frameworks are largely accommodating, recognizing the immense potential for economic growth. Of course, this gold rush is not without its challenges. The rapid accumulation of wealth by a select few raises important questions about inequality, ethics, and the future of work. But one thing is clear: artificial intelligence is a force unlike any before. And those who harness its power are shaping not just their own destinies, but the destiny of the world. As AI continues to advance, the landscape of opportunity will keep shifting. For the innovators, the thinkers, and the risk-takers, the next AI-created billionaire might not just be a headline. It might be a reality waiting just around the corner.